Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
Hi. Let's spin the wheel. I'm Armandina, and you? That's an outpost. A kiss, yeah. A lot of kisses. I am... Oh, Tanvir! I remember you. Hi, welcome. Good to see you again. Just beautiful. Thank you. You are. Mwah, mwah. Let's see winning result. A sugar bomb. Well, it was a privilege start, but it is now. Sugar bomb with eggs. You know you have another costume. Oh, well, no, this is the only one for this game show, yeah? You remember me? Yeah, I do, Tanvir. I do remember you. You're surprised? Let's respin the wheel. If you have a sugar bomb booster enabled, your multiplier will be doubled. Best of luck. You're surprised that I do? You don't have to thank me. I don't remember exactly when we talked the last time, but I guess 1 week, something like that, 2 weeks, I don't know. But I do remember. I remember your username. Oh, yes. Bubble surprise. Come on. Is good. We have bubble surprise. Everything is going. Just come on. Oh yes. It's rough. I'm the only one who felt it. Okay, so let's move to the waffle maze now. Oh no! What happened? Is that great? We have 3 candies, blue, red, or yellow. You need to choose your favorite one. If you're not going to do that, the system will be one for you automatically. So we have 4 chocolate bars. Each one will contain 1 purple box. If your chosen candy will go through all 4 of them, you will win one. Everybody wants it. I want to see if you want to see something. That's it. Let's start. The blue one goes. Plus 10 times 3. What? Plus 2 now. And gonna end up times 3. Wow. Plus 10 with the red. Times 3. Good. Plus 2 now. The same. And times 3, yeah. The same path. Now let's do the yellow. Plus 1. Times 3 now. We have a plus 10. And a times 3. Congratulations. You know, free to place your new bets. Yeah, the blue and the red, they rock. For sure. Don't worry about it. My pleasure. Let's spin the wheel. Here we go. What happened, Mar? Why are you crying? What can I do for you? I said how close. You had the red one? Amazing. You chose red? Nice, Farsa. Good job.
Which means I love you too. Non me lo fa scrivere. Lo devi scrivere. Devi scrivere spin. Love you too. You're so sweet. Thank you so much. Oh, what happened? Lole, can't you see? I want you here. You see? I'm Shakira too. I can be whoever you want. Bomba! Sensual. Sugar Bomb 5X multiplier. If you activate a booster, you're gonna get double of it, and we're gonna have another spin as well. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's spin it! Here we go again. Turkey. Seni seviyorum area. at least use a 5X. I hope it's gonna be a bonus round, but I don't know yet. Sweet spins with a 5X! Woo! That's what I'm talking about! Oh my goodness! Let's get closer to the Sweet Spins booth. Everybody's just going crazy now in the chat. Lovely. Yeah, I know. Here we go. Let's give it a what? I was ready to say a spin, but I'm not spinning anything, so here we go. Banana. Grape. Whack whack. Apple. Purple candy. 4X sugar bomb. We're already going up to 12X. Oh my. Oh my. What an amazing session, isn't it? We got grape again. 6X. 14.60. 6 to go. Come on, be big. Go hard or go home. Love you, marry me. Sure thing. Nothing here. Apple. Ooh la la. Purple candies. 20. What? Bro, what is this? Ooh la la. What? Can you actually believe this? 400. I don't know. Alexandro told me my math is not mathing, so he just trying to make the math, and I'm not the brain. He's the brain. At least I'm funny, I hope. 400 and something else. Congratulations. Better open his time for who change me, Alexandro.
What an incredible
Nice.
way of ending. Hello, everybody. My name is Alexandro. I'll be your host. Wait, didn't this already happen? Do we live in a simulation? Oh my goodness. I love
Vacation. It's now closed. And she was too focused on the phone. She was having a conversation with someone. I don't know exactly with who. But he was so focused. And I was in front of her. She was on the phone. I was like, where are you going? I was like, oh, to Azurcos in France and Monaco. Like, girl, how can you say that? How can you say that? How is it possible to just say it like this? We're gonna have a sugar bomb. I don't know how you called it, but I think it's, yeah, sugar bomb. We're gonna have a sugar bomb. So it's your toast, I guess it is. Yeah. And Monaco, I think it is. Yeah. And Monte Carlo. But yeah, she ruined it. Let's respin the wheel. We're gonna have a sugar bomb with 2 eggs. It is what it is. Anyway, she said that I was about to find out at the airport. I was just thinking that I'm gonna go all over. I mean, like, la 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 la. But you know, we're still going. Yeah, we're still going. But she said, "Come on, don't be so dramatic because you were about to. We're gonna have a bubble surprise. You were about to find out at the airport." I was like, "Girl, no, I wasn't. Maybe at the gates, or I don't know when they were talking to that station. So I would have been like, la 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 la. Whatever it is, that would have been nice, you know." I feel a little sad, but I'm happy though. I think it's gonna be nice. I hope it's gonna be. I hope the weather will be nice. Let's check the bubble. Why do they have a candy truck? So let's go back to that. So you know your unique wink wink. We're gonna talk about that. We are. Yeah, so are. 3 candies. It's just your favorite one. So, blue, red, or yellow. If you're not gonna do that, the system will pick one for you. We have 4 chocolate bars. We're gonna shuffle them, and all of them. Yo, you are. You are in trouble. So. We have our chocolate bars. We're going to shuffle them, and each one will contain 1 purple box. If you're choosing kid and go through all 4 of them, you will get 1,000. Oh, amazing. Let's hope for that. Then we have plus 10 times 3 plus 5 times 4. A moment. Round of applause for this blue and the effort. We have plus 1 with the red candy. Empty box plus 5 times 2. Yeah. We're going to have plus 1 with the yellow. Empty box. Plus 5 and times 4. Amazing. Congratulations, Soul. And I will consider Oh, the blue though? The blue. Let me call my lawyer real quick for that. No! No one's calling anyone. So what do you mean? El azul. Yeah. The blue.
Bets are even for you. Right now, place yours. Let's spin the wheel. So it was 10 times 16. With a booster, because was it only one sugar bomb? Because that's what I see. Or was it 2 sugar bombs? Because it cannot be 16 from 1 sugar bomb. So that must have... I don't understand. Talk about Counter-Strike. Well, I actually have been thinking about playing Counter-Strike last evening. But right now we got a candy drop. Nice, everyone. Follow me to the waffle maze. And in the meanwhile, choose your favorite candy, blue, red, or yellow. Now, if you fail to choose your favorite candy in time, a random one will be automatically assigned to you. Your candy will fall through the 4 chocolate bars with 3 additions or multipliers. And if your candy goes through all the purple boxes, you're gonna get a jackpot of 1000X. Let's shuffle the waffle maze. Let's see what we have around here. The additions and multipliers. Now the purple boxes will appear and the blue candy will start dropping. Hey, those boxes look interesting. Plus 2 empty box. Plus 1. Well, Reigns, actually I did yesterday. Plus 1 and an empty box. Now the red candy is dropping. Plus 1. Forgot about that, Reigns. Forgot about that. Empty box. Plus 5. And times 4 for the red candy, yellow candy dropping. Let's see, what do you have for us? Plus 2 purple box. Hey. Times 4 purple box again. Come on. Plus 5 purple box. Times 4 purple box. It's a jackpot from the yellow candy. Let's go. That was it for